Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share about the recent eclipse that is going to take place on 14th of March. What will be the impact on each moon sign? What are things that you need to be conscious with? And what all remedies you should do to overcome the challenges? How it is going to affect you? If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So first we need to understand that what exactly the moon eclipse is. So moon eclipse, this time it is going to take place on 14th of March and the timing will be from 9:29 a.m. till 3:29 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. This particular lunar eclipse will not be visible in India, but it is going to visible in other countries like Australia, America, Europe. So these all countries will be affected by this particular eclipse. As per our Shastra, if the eclipse is not visible in the country where you are living, then the rules will not be applicable for you. But for the people who are living in the countries where the eclipse is visible, then they have to make sure that they are following few rules to overcome the challenges and the obstacles in their life. As when the lunar eclipse take place, so it affects the human body for coming 30 days to 45 days, and this time the eclipse is on moon. So moon eclipse, as you already know, that the human bodies are made up of 70% of water, and moon is connected to your mental health, moon is connected to your emotional health. So during this time people will be more emotional, their health will be impacted, and overall they are going to face lot of challenges and the problems in life for coming 30 to 45 days. As the moon is in the Leo, so Leo, which is connected to the sun energy, which is a fiery element, which is connected to the leadership role. So it has been seen that people who are especially into the leadership role or who have a team under them, or especially the government authority, the top level government authority will be affected by this moon eclipse. They may face the health related problem. There may be the possibility of a change of a government. There is a high possibility of an increase in the war between the countries, and economy wise also there will be lot of negative effect overall people are going to see for coming 30 to 45 days. So this particular eclipse will not be so positive for every one of us, but my purpose of making this video is that to share you the remedies and to guide you that once this eclipse is going to take place, if you do the remedies on the same day, so this will be going to help you out to decrease the intensity of the problem which you may face in the life. So while I'll share the predictions, so sometimes I see that the planets are aligned in such a way the predictions are not so positive. So my purpose is to give you the right information so that you are not in the illusion, you are taking the logical step. One more thing I would like to make you I would like to inform you that for coming 30 to 45 days after 14th of March, you need to use more your logical mind, because there is a high possibility people will be in illusion. They may get trapped or cheated by some nasty people. So you need to be conscious for, especially anyway, always you should use your logical mind, but especially for this coming 30 to 45 days, try to use more your logical mind. Try whatever decisions you are going to take in your life, try to discuss with at least 2-3 people and then take the decision, so that you are not taking any decision in the illusion. So let me guide you as per the moon now sign. Let's discuss moon sign wise how it is going to impact you. So the first moon sign is the Aries. If Aries is your moon sign, so this particular moon eclipse is going to impact your fifth house. Fifth house, which is connected to your past life karma, which is connected to your child, which is connected to your relationship. So for coming 30 to 45 days, your past life karma will be open and you may started getting the negative effects in your life. Especially you need to be take care of finances wise. There may be the possibility of financial losses. Avoid taking any decision during this time. Avoid starting anything new during this time. You need to be conscious in the relationship wise also during this time, especially for the women who are the Aries moon sign and they are pregnant. They need to be more conscious during this time. Relationship wise, health wise, career wise, overall the impact will be negative on you. So you need to be more calmer. Try to do meditation, and on the day of the eclipse between 9:20, after the eclipse being done, after 3:29 p.m., you should donate white sweets to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges and the obstacle which you may face because of this moon eclipse in coming 30 to 45. Taurus moon sign people, this particular eclipse will be going to impact your fourth house. Fourth house, which is connected to your domestic life. So this particular eclipse will be going to create the problem in your domestic life. You need to take care of your health, especially related to the ears and eyes. You need to be taking care of your chest and the heart related problem also. During this time, you may feel emotionally unstable. You may feel lonely, isolated, and emotions wise, you are going to see a lot of ups and downs during this time. To overcome the challenges and the obstacles, make sure on 14th of March after 3:29 p.m. you should donate milk to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges which you may face because of the moon eclipse, because Gemini moon sign. For the Gemini people, this particular eclipse is going to impact your third house which is connected to your siblings, which is connected to your communication, and which is connected to the to get name fame also. So during this time, you need to be conscious, like the impact of this eclipse will be 50% positive on you and 50% negative on you. So during this time, there is a high possibility of a change of a place, a change of a job, and a change of a career. This will be beneficial for you. So whatever it is going to happen in your career will be going to, whatever changes right now you're seeing, like you may face problems in your current organization or you're looking for a job change, then this is a good time to change the job. But this particular time is not so great relationship wise, relationship with your partner, relationship with your siblings. There you are going to face the ups and downs during this time. To overcome the challenges and the obstacle because of the eclipse, on the day of the eclipse after 3:29 p.m., try to donate milk to the needy. It will help you out to overcome the challenge. For Cancer people, it is going to impact your second house which is connected to the family. So there is a high possibility you may face problem. Your family member may face problem health wise, especially the female family members like your wife, sister, or mother may face problem related to the health. This is not so great time career wise also. If you are looking for a job change, avoid changing your job during this time. Avoid changing of a place is not beneficial for you during this time. You need to keep an eye on your expenditure, because this is not so great time relationship wise, career wise, as well as overall in your life. You need to take care of your health as well as your family member health also. To overcome the obstacles and the challenges, make sure on the day of the eclipse after 3:29 p.m. try to donate rice to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges which you may face because of this. For the Leo people, this particular transit will not be so positive for you. You need to be little bit more conscious during this time, because the eclipse is going to take place in your zodiac sign only. It is going to impact your first house, which is about overall life. So during this time, you need to be conscious relationship wise. You should be conscious career wise as well as health wise too. Try to keep an eye on your expenditure. There is a high possibility of the financial loss. So you need to be more in your conscious mind. Try to use more your logical mind during this time. Before taking any decision, you need to be conscious. Any type of change is not advisable during this time. Avoid changing any job. Avoid starting anything new during this time. And even you need to keep an eye on your expenditure also during this time. To overcome the challenges and to overcome the obstacle because of this eclipse, try to donate white color clothes to the needy on 14 March after 3:29 p.m. It will help you out to overcome the challenges which you may face. For Virgo people, this particular transit will not be so positive for you. You may face problem in your career, office politics, work anxiety, ups and downs in your relationship. Maybe your partner will not able to understand your emotions. You need to be conscious health wise too. Keep an eye on your expenditure, as the impact of this eclipse will not be so positive. To overcome the challenges, make sure that on 14th of March after 3:29 p.m. you have to donate white sweets to the needy. It will help you out to overcome the challenge. This particular eclipse is going to impact your 11th house. So the impact will not be so negative for you. So it will be 50% positive and 50% negative for you. During this time, you need to take care of your relationship. Keep an eye on your expenditure. Make sure whatever the financial transaction you are doing, so try to cross check it double so that you are not facing any financial losses, or you may not trap in any financial losses during this time. So that part you need to be conscious. but this is a good time if you're looking for a job change, if you're looking for a career change, or if you're looking for a change of a place, then this is a good time. This is a time where if your any of your work is stuck during this time, if you try during this time, there is a high possibility you will be able to complete it. This is a good time, you are going to win over your enemies too. To overcome the challenges, make sure that between 9:29 a.m. till 3:29 p.m., at least for 24 minutes, you have to close your eyes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. This will be going to help you out. For Scorpio people, the effect of the eclipse will be seen in your 10th house. So this particular eclipse will not be so negative for you. It is 50% positive and 50% negative for you. You need to take care of your parents' health during this time. You need to be conscious while dealing in anything related to the real estate or property. Otherwise, career-wise, this will be a good time for you. If you're looking for a job change, there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. There is a high possibility of a change of a place, and this change of a place will be beneficial for you. To overcome the challenges and the obstacles, make sure that you are chanting during this eclipse timing, that is from 9:29 a.m. to 3:29 p.m. At least for 24 minutes, you have to close your eyes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. This will help you out to overcome the challenges and the obstacle, and you will be blessed. For Sagittarius people, this particular eclipse is going to affect your ninth house, which is connected to your luck, which is connected to your father also. So during this time, you need to take care of your father health. You need to take care of your adult member of the family health during this time. You may get a lot of pressure in your career wise. So make sure that you are not starting something new during this time. You need to be more conscious. There is a high possibility of a change of a place, but this change of a place will be beneficial for you. You need to take care of your relationship and the marriage also during this time. To overcome the challenges and to overcome the obstacles that you may face because of this eclipse, then you have to make sure on the day of the eclipse, you should donate rice or sugar to the needy. It will help you out. For Capricorn people, this particular lunar eclipse will be going to affect your 8th house. So you need to be more conscious during this time, as the major impact, as a negative impact of this eclipse is majorly on the Leo moon sign and the Capricorn moon sign. So you need to be more conscious during this time. There may be the sudden problem which may come up in your life. So avoid changing job during this time. Avoid changing your career during this time. Avoid starting anything new during this time. You need to be more conscious relationship wise as well as health wise. So this is a time where you need to go with the flow. Just do the career that you are already into. Try not to change your career during this time. To overcome the challenges and the obstacles that you may face because of this eclipse, try to donate clothes to the needy on 14th of March after the Aquarius people. This particular eclipse is going to impact your 7th house, which is connected to your marriage, relationship, as well as client relationship also. So you need to be conscious in your love relationship, marriage, as well as there may be the clashes between you and your clients or between the one whom you are dealing with. So that part also you need to be conscious. This is not a good time to change the job. This is not a good time to change your career. You should go with the flow. To overcome the challenges and the obstacle, make sure after the eclipse is over, you should donate the sweets to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face because of Pisces people. This particular lunar eclipse is going to affect your 6th house. So the effect of this lunar eclipse is will 50% it will be positive on you and 50% it will be negative on you. You may overthink a lot during this time, anxiety, depression. As this will be not so great time relationship wise, you need to be conscious, but this is a good time career wise. If you're looking for a job change, this is a good time. There may be the change of the place, and this particular change of a place will be positive for you. This is a good time. If any of your work is stuck since during this time, then there is a high possibility if you take actions and try to complete it, then there is a high possibility you will be able to complete it successfully. To overcome the challenges because of the negative effect of this eclipse, try to donate white sweets to the needy after the eclipse is over. So as I've shared the prediction about all the moon sign, if the effect of this particular eclipse is not so positive for you, or it's positive for you, or it's mixed, still you have to make sure that you're doing the donation after the eclipse is over, because if you're doing the donation, it will help you out to decrease the intensity of the problem which you may face because of the eclipse. If you don't know your moon sign or you don't know your sun sign, the day when you watch this video, make sure that after the eclipse is over, after 3:29 p.m. or as per your country timing, try to donate white sweets to the needy, and try to keep on during the eclipse time for at least for 24 minutes, keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. This will be going to help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face because of this eclipse. If you find this video relevant, then please share this information to your relatives also, so that they can also do the remedies and overcome the challenges which they may face